Look around you. What do you see? From kitchen appliances to computers, most of the things that we use and see in our daily lives have been manufactured in some way, shape, or form. Maybe even in your hometown. Minnesota is home to 8,625 manufacturing companies, employing 320,000 people. Manufacturing is Minnesota's second largest industry. Not only is manufacturing a large industry, it is also one of the most important industries. Food products, fabricated metal, medical equipment, computer parts, agricultural implements, furniture, and more are made with some form of manufacturing. Minnesota leads the way in developing new technologies that increase the sustainability and the efficiency of manufacturing for the future. Huge companies like 3M, CHS, and Fast Global Solutions, which is headquartered in my hometown, as well as smaller companies like GCI, Agard, and Belgrade Steel Tank all produce valuable or value-added products that maximize efficiency and satisfy their customers. As a full-time summer employee at GCI, a manufacturing facility that creates custom manipulator arms, I know firsthand that projects are not always easy. Engineers may need to completely rework a design or innovate with new materials and processes to satisfy a customer. But I have learned that manufacturing careers are very rewarding. Becoming an employee at a manufacturing facility will require hard work and dedication, but along the way you will learn valuable skills. Most importantly, without students interested in manufacturing, the industry can't grow. It is up to us to shape the future of manufacturing in Minnesota and to spread awareness of this vital industry's importance for us and future generations.